Hello, good evening everyone. I am Dr. Sagar Raya, consultant chest physician practicing in area of Mulund, Mumbai. This is a small video message for our patient, specifically asthma and COPD patient, what all precautions they need to take during this COVID pandemic. Seeing that this second wave, which has hit hard to all our patients, and the more number of younger patient also getting affected and increasing in the morbidity and mortality. So for our asthmatic patient, I would advise them to keep continue your inhalers, bronchodilators, medication, whatever are ongoing. Keep your lung function test by a regular home peak flow meter monitoring, which will help you in detecting drop in the pulmonary functions. If the function are going below say 80%, you need to increase the dosages. If it is less than 50% of the expected peak flow, then that is a red zone. You need to see the doctor or arrange a video consultation in case if you cannot travel. For COPD patients, I would advise that now COVID vaccine, most of the patient must have received at least one dose. Also take the second dose in time. In between the duration, you can also take another vaccine like influenza and pneumococcal vaccine. Don't reduce the inhaler dosages, bronchodilator dosages on your own. Consult your chest physician or your physician who will guide you whether you need to reduce the dose or continue the same. Wear mask, take basic precaution so that you don't get infected, because in pre-existing lung disease, this COVID infection can be very fatal with increasing in the morbidity and mortality. Continue home oxygen if you are already taking home oxygen, long-term oxygen therapy. And in case of any query, you can reach out to us. We will guide you via in OPD consultation or teleconsultation. Wishing you all a very healthy life ahead. All the best.